Let's move on to our fourth question in this series of questions. So here we have the nth term given as 2n minus 3 whole divided by 6. So for the first term a1 we need to substitute n is equal to 1 in the general term. So we would have 2 into 1 minus 3 divided by 6. So it would be equal to 2 minus 3 divided by 6. So the answer would be minus 1 by 6. For the second term we need to put n is equal to 2. So it would be 2 into 2 minus 3 divided by 6. So it would be 4 minus 3 by 6. So the answer would be 1 by 6. For the third term we need to put n is equal to 3 here. So that we would have 2 into 3 minus 3 divided by 6. Now notice that first of all we'll solve this term according to board mass. So that we would have 6 minus 3 upon 6. So that would be 3 upon 6, which in the lowest term would give you 1 by 2. For the fourth term we need to put n is equal to 4. We would have 2 into 4 minus 3 divided by 6. So that it would be 8 minus 3 divided by 6. So it would be 5 by 6. For the last term we need to put the value of n as equal to 5. So that we would have 2 into 5 minus 3 divided by 6. So it would be 10 minus 3 divided by 6. So it would be 7 by 6. So the terms are minus 1 by 6, plus 1 by 6, 1 by 2, 5 by 6 and 7 by 6. Right? So these are the first 5 terms of the sequence here. For the next question we are given the general term as minus 1 raised to power n minus 1 multiplied with 5 raised to power n plus 1. So here for the first term a1 we need to put n is equal to 1. So that we would have minus 1 raised to power 1 minus 1, right? The value of n is 1 multiplied with 5 raised to power 1 plus 1. So that we would have minus 1 raised to power 0 multiplied by 5 raised to power 2. Now because you know any number raised to power 0 is just 1, right? So we will be using this thing. Minus 1 raised to power 0 is also 1 and 5 square is 25. So your answer is 25, right? For the next term we need to put n is equal to 2 here, correct? When you put n is equal to 2 it would be minus 1 raised to power 2 minus 1 into 5 raised to power 2 plus 1, correct? So that we would have minus 1 raised to power 2 minus 1 is 1 multiplied by 5 raised to power 3. So it would be minus 1 raised to power 1 is minus 1 only multiplied with 5 cubed. 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. So our answer is minus 125. For the third term a3 we need to put n is equal to 3 here. So minus 1 raised to power 3 minus 1 multiplied with 5 raised to power 3 plus 1. So it is minus 1 raised to power 3 minus 1 is 2 multiplied by 5 raised to power 3 plus 1, which is 4. So that minus 1 into minus 1, it is equal to plus 1 multiplied by 5 raised to power 4 is 625. So we have the answer as 625. For the fourth term we would have here the value of n as equal to 4. So that we would have minus 1 raised to power 4 minus 1 into 5 raised to power 4 plus 1. So this is equal to minus 1 raised to power 3 into 5 raised to power 5. So how much is this? It is minus 1 into, next we have we need to multiply 5 times. So that we would have 3125. So the answer is minus 3125. For the last term a5 we need to put n is equal to 5 here. So when we put n is equal to 5 we have minus 1 raised to power 5 minus 1 into 5 raised to power 5 plus 1. So it is minus 1 raised to power 4 into 5 raised to power 6. So it is minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 4 times. So it would be plus 1 multiplied by 5 raised to power 6. So the value is 1500/625. So it is 1500/625. Even if you do not want to solve such lengthy calculations, you can just leave your answer up till here. That is also correct, right? This is for this question. For moving on to our next question, in this question we have the first term as this, second term as this, third term as this, fourth term as this, fifth term as this, right? So you can see the first term is positive, the second one is negative, third one is positive, fourth one is negative, fifth one is also positive. So that means we are getting alternate signs here in this particular sequence, right? That is just an observation. Moving forward on to the next and the last question here, the nth term is given to be this one, right? We need to calculate the first 5 terms here. For the first 5 terms, we first of all substitute n is equal to 1 here, so that we would have 1 into 1 square plus 5 divided by 4. So the answer is 1 into 1 square is just 1, 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 by 4. So the answer is 6 by 4, which is 3 by 2. For the next value, for the next term, we need to put n is equal to 2, so that we would have 2 into 2 square plus 5 divided by 4. So it would be 2 into 2 square is 4, 4 plus 5 by 4. So it would be 2 into 9 by 4, right? And we can cancel out these two terms, so that we would have 9 by 2, right? For the third term, we need to put n is equal to 3 into this expression, so that we would have 3 into 3 square plus 5 divided by 4. So that it is 3 into 3 square is 9, 9 plus 5 divided by 4. So it is equal to 3, and 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 by 4. So you can cancel out the terms here, so that we would have the answer as 21 by 2, correct? For the fourth term, we would have to substitute n is equal to 4 here into this expression, so that we would have 4 square plus 5 divided by 4. So the answer is 4 square is 16, 16 plus 5 divided by 4. So this 4 and this 4 cancels out with each other, and the answer is just 21. For the next one, we need to put n is equal to 5 here. So we would have 5 square plus 5 divided by 4. So it is 5 square is 25, 25 plus 5 divided by 4. So it is 5 into 30 divided by 4. So we can cancel out the terms here, so that it is equal to 75 divided by 2, right? So this is the answer here. So I hope you understood these questions well. Well, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.